Noći postaju duge i neprospavane za mladog danskog kraljevića Hamleta. U dubini noći lebde neizgovorene priče, a obiteljska tajna skriva se među zvijezdama. Hamlet noću razmišlja o čudnim događajima u vezi s nedavnom smrti svojega oca. Još uvijek je zbunjen što je kralj umro od ugriza zmije dok je spavao u vrtu. A još više ga muči to što se njegova majka ni mjesec dana nakon očeve smrti ponovno udala. I to za kraljeva brata Klaudija.
Udala se prije nego što su se osušile suze.
Hamlet ipak nije sam. Duh prošlosti izranja iz sjene. Duh njegova oca koji raspliće mrežu tajne njegove smrti.
Hamlete, sine moj, ono ne bješe zmija što me usmrti. Tvoj stric Klaudije mali mi otrovom. Umori me tako da se ne stigao pomoliti. Da ti izgrabi moju ženu i krunu.
Hamlet planu od srdžbe i od tog trenutka jedini mu cilj postane osvetiti očevu smrt.
Ako me ljubiš, Hamlete, osveti moje umorstvo. Hoću, oče. Klaudije će platiti svojim životom za ono što je učinio.
Nights become long and sleepless for the young Danish prince Hamlet. In the depth of the night, unspoken stories hover and the family secret hides itself among the stars. At night, Hamlet reflects on the strange events surrounding his father's recent death. He is still perplexed that the king died from a snake bite while sleeping in the garden, and what troubles him even more is that his mother, not even a month after his father's death, has remarried, and to the king's brother Claudius.
Yet the thought of the most unrighteous tears had left the flushing in her gullet eyes. She married, almost wicked speed.
Hamlet is not alone after all. The ghost of the past emerges from the shadows, the spirit of his father unraveling the web of the secret of his death.
Oh, Hamlet, hear! This given hour is sleeping in my orchard, a separate stung me. But no, thou noble youth, the serpent that did sting thy father's life now wears his crown.
Hamlet burns with anger, and from that moment his sole aim becomes to avenge his father's death.
If thou didst ever die, dear father love, revenge is foul and most unnatural murder.
Well, father, Claudius shall pay with his life for what he had done.